Hola Charlie, pues mira, aquí te voy a enseñar el Screencast. Oh, sorry, I'm speaking in Spanish, but okay, I'm gonna show you the screencast of the first spring of the time tracker project. So as you see here, well, I have my code for Visual Studio. Um, 2013, I think. If okay, but anyway, this is, yeah, 2013, but it's not relevant for you now. So okay, and here is the Mongo database with some objects. So you can see just it's actually JSON data. On the other hand, here is the listener. This is the listener of the Mongo database. If you can see here, this is MongoDB.x. So this is a process who is listening. Okay, so yeah, okay, let's run the project and see what we have here. Take a little bit while, but yeah. So according to the or estimation on the project, also the first deadline included create members and users on the creation of creation, read on delete also. Also the create task on the same behavior. Okay, here I think, yeah, we have already. Okay, so here if you see, we are running on my local machine, the local host, and yeah, it's taking a little bit time, but it's coming. Well, here I have my JIT version control. Okay, so the time tracker is like, look, this is the home page or the beginner. So you see it's only here time tracker, the login disable. I like that, really. So here we can create, modify, and delete user or members, and here task. So let's check on the members or users. Click, and yeah, we have a grid here with the object ID and the username, first name, last name, city, and employee code. So we have in here four users. So for example, we can let's create a new one. So create a new one. Okay, the username, so we can test 1 2 3 last. Oh, this is not allowed. Oh, okay, so here must be running with a minimum of 3. Okay, testing 1. Oh, okay, between 3 and 6. Okay, test 1. Okay, so first name, test 1, last name, city, Quebec. On employee code is 234, for example. Create. So if you see it, it's already created. And then if we back to the list, so we will see the user testy1 is here, the last one of the grid, last one, the city Quebec, and you know. So let's check the details for the second. For example, the username wcamp details. You can see the details of wcamp, first name Willie, campus, city Germany, employee code. Go back to the list, and okay, we want to edit the second user. So let's go edit. So wcamp, we can change the username because it's unique, but we can change the first name or the last name. City, okay, we can change the city. We say Guatemala. The employee code we can also change. So we only change the city. Say save. So if we see in the second, yeah, the city is Guatemala right now for the second user of the list, the grid. Okay, so editing, delete, and the last one, delete. Okay, let's delete Juan Manuel. Delete, and yeah, the system asked me if you want to delete user GP2, and say yes, delete. And yeah, so we are again on the grid lead user, and it's already deleted. Because this is for it was for members or users, so it's the same behavior of task. Here you can see a grid of task, like object ID, item, status, priority size, and due to. And let's create a new one. Item, we can be testing 1, for example. This is a combo box we created, assigned, terminated, expired. Also the prioritize. Let's check high. On the due date. The due date we can put today, 21. Okay. Testing 1 created, prioritize high. Create. Yeah, it's created. So we back to the list. Here is the last one. Testing 1 created and hide on the due to date. Right? Okay, so let's see the details of item 4. The details here. Item 4 created, priority is very high, and okay, let's back to the list. Let's edit the item 1, 2, 3. Okay. Yeah. So the item 1, 2, 3 as a name we can change, but we can change the status on the priority size. So let's change the terminated, save. Yeah, here's the item 1, 2, 3 is terminated. Yeah. So now let's delete the testing 1. Delete. Are you sure you want to delete this? And say yes. As you see, the deleted option also is working. So that's it we have right now with the TimeTracker project, and so I hope you will enjoy.